Just recently somebody asked me how I actually do my wall hangings. How are the steps I am going through? Good question. So it's really good also for me to really like, oh, how am I doing it again? Starting most to get this stick. But normally I have a stock of them already because I go through the woods nearby where I live. I already see, I don't know what this is, what's going to be, but it looks good. It really looks very messy with all the wood in here. I let them a couple of days drying, or even sometimes a week or more than a week. So it takes days until all the humid gets out of the wood. And then mostly I also cut the edges down and sand them so they look cleaner. That's actually about the stick. So, and then I just start. Cut the thread. This one I am doing right now is actually in order. Somebody asked, oh Esther, I saw the macrame you were doing and I really want to have this wall hanging you once did. It was this one. So, here we go. Another thing for you to know, I was long time struggling for the perfect, in Portuguese you say gambiarra, or in Brazil, I don't know if we have a German word for that or English. I was looking for a construction how the stick could actually be fixed so I can work on it pretty easily, but I was really struggling. I was trying many different things, how to clamp it on the table, how to I had this little portable clothes hanging, so I was like binding it there, but it was always standing around. And now, as easy as it looked, that's the very easy, most easiest thing in the life I did so far, is to just put some holes and hooks on the ceiling and then just fix in there and hang it down. What stops me doing is the thought that it took so long and to energy to put some holes there and some hooks, but it just took a couple of minutes. It took more energy to really like spend like trying to fix it on the table, whatever. If you have other ideas or other suggestions, an easier way, please let me know. I always love to improve. Actually, I was not doing the hooks, it was my husband. I was just calling out for help. Help! I need hooks! So the credits don't go to me. Just one more thing before I forget, before I go. Next video is coming something up what has nothing to do with art but with something else. I can just say be surprised.